All right, here is my website. It's www.cs.uni.edu/squiggleocane. And when you enter, you'll see the first page is the Mumps page. And if you want to get a copy of the Mumps interpreter so you can run along with us, this is the code right down here. It's version 17.6. It's in source format. It's a tarball. You can download it, decompress it on any Linux system, and run it. We went into how to install it in a separate video. There are also code examples and other things. If you want to get to the information storage and retrieval package, go to this tab up here, and it will change, and there will be a variety of things, including some notes on what it exactly consists of. But most importantly is the, first of all, the PDF for the book that I'm using or discussing here. And hopefully the PDF, it's kind of a big one, so it's taking a long time to come down. Anyway, this is the description of what's going on, the printed description. I try to keep it up to date. It probably has errors in it, but as you can see, this was last updated last summer. But it's got all the descriptions that you need, and I don't know how many pages it is. I guess it's around 170-something pages long. So that's the book you want to go to if you want to get the details. If you want a copy of the code, this is it right here. It's, if you click on it, your download should begin, and there it is. It's 107 megabytes, so it will take a while to download. I'll pause here in the video while it takes place. All right, the download has finished. There it is. Now we can extract it. It depends upon your Linux, but they're all pretty much similar. So if you right-click on it and say extract here, I'm in Linux Mint 18.1. So there's the extraction taking place. And bingo. I don't know why it shows up with the second copy momentarily, but it will go away. Something weird. This is the actual code. There's a lot of Mumps programs in here. There's a bunch of script files. These script files are bash files. I use the .script so I can find them quickly. The .mps are the Mumps files, although technically you don't really need to use a specific extension. Let's see what else in here. There are some subdirectories we'll worry about some other time. There are some README files and a variety of other things. The database is in here. The database is OSU Medline. It's fairly large. That's why the download was so big. It's 352 megabytes. It's those 300 and some odd thousand abstracts we were talking about. It's a great experimental database if you want to test things out. Of course, it does involve a medical database, which tends to use a lot of specific terms, but it is a good text database, large text database to do experiments on. All right, so that's what the code looks like.